today, as you can see with my racing helmet. This is the replica one version. It's the same model I use for training and racing. So I'm just here to let you know a little bit more about Arai, especially why I choose Arai for racing and what I like the most about them. And I would say the first thing I really look when I join them is the safety. They are really based on providing the best safety possible in a race helmet. So this is one of the things that really is very important to me. The helmet design, all that you can see, it's based just on be the best for when you crash, because the crashes can be at any speed, any type, and you can hit anything on the ground. It's important that the helmet have the capacity to absorb and find the way to not get the hit the strongest way. So the design of this helmet has a particularity that they call it glancing off, and that's basically that when you hit the ground with the helmet, with this helmet would slide out and find a way to absorb the energy of the impact. What they think about this idea is that the helmet have to slide as much as possible, and that's why the shape is like you see. Is always the design based on this concept, and so it's not like if it would be for the best aerodynamics or the best look or the best weight. It's just designed for pure safety.